Hey guys, welcome back to Travel with 𝐂𝐭, and in this video I'm gonna take you to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Let's go! This trip was so long ago. It was like 8 months ago. I remember I got to Kuala Lumpur on August 29th, and then Malaysian Independence Day was on the 31st. Well, if you watched my previous vlog already, I got to Kuala Lumpur from Singapore, visiting my friend Abby. 5 days, 4 nights was definitely not enough to discover this beautiful country, but I'm gonna give you one perspective about Malaysia in this video. So we got to KL on a rainy evening, very rainy, but we were so lucky to have Abby and her fiancé pick us up from the airport and hosted us at their place. The best host ever. I hope you're watching this video. In terms of pricing, I think food and accommodation in KL are quite similar to a few other Asian countries. About flights to KL from Hanoi, I think it's about $250 to $300 for a round trip, maybe even cheaper. Alright, let's start discovering the city. To be honest with you, the weather here was so rainy. It was like raining from the afternoon to evenings all day. So the only time I could catch the sun was mostly in the morning. Yeah, and sometimes it stopped raining in the evening and afternoon for a bit. So we didn't have a chance to discover so much of the nature.
Hey, how is it? Is it too cold?
It's too cold for me.
Oh. Yes, I am.
It was freezing indeed. Well, the weather wasn't too bad in the end as we got this beautiful sunny morning. And my advice for you is to take advantage of the mornings until about 3 or 4 p.m. here to take outdoor trips. And always come with an umbrella after that, not to get wet. And let's talk about food. Over the course of 5 days, we tried out different types of foods, from the local ones to the Western ones. And in this video, I'm gonna give you a review of the ones I like. This first one is called Urban Daybreak, with a diversity of Western options. Very fresh, I really like it.
You can tell that they're trying to be Vietnamese. You can understand that much, but it's not Vietnamese food.
Yeah, something like that. This one is a Chinese restaurant in Chinatown. It's really good, but I really forgot the name. See, they have a huge menu for you to choose from with reasonable price. We got so full that day. Oh, and this one, I love it. I love the name. What TF? Like, what can you think of? It's a nice space with a glass window looking to the big street. I'm sure you'll enjoy it too. And look at this! You have nothing to complain about the food. This stall sells the traditional breakfast of Malaysia. It's called nasi lemak.
I'll come back tomorrow. Thanks.
So my friend bought me one for breakfast the day after, and it looks like this. I love discovering bistro cafes for good drinks, good foods, and good views as well. So here's another one. Hey, morning. Alright, so here's the last one in the food list. Let's see what special they have. Do you see the menu say how long the food takes? 2 minutes, 30 seconds. That's actually hilarious. And super cool too. Wow, this hot pot is so satisfying. I'd highly recommend this restaurant, so make sure you've noted that down. Nightlife in KL. You know I'm a music head, so the first thing I do wherever I go is to search for live music events, but for some reasons I couldn't find one here, probably because it was holiday or something else. Regardless of that, I could still find some pubs to hang out with my friends, and regardless of the rain as well. This one was very cozy, perfect for that day. We're on the search to look for another pub again. Made friends with this cat on the street. She loved playing with me. And yeah, finally we found this pub, which is more Malaysian, as there were a lot of Malaysian flags. It's a huge pub. KK Mart here is very popular. I think it's like Vinmart or Circle K in Vietnam. So really, don't worry if you don't bring enough stuff, you can always get it from here. Well, now you are at the only event that we could find in KL at that time. It was a light festival for healing, which was pretty cool. And this is the famous KL Tower that everyone will visit if they're here. Kiss me slow. We're flying high. Well, time flies and we gotta leave KL today. Hope you've been enjoying this video so far, and I'm gonna see you in the next video, in the next destination. Bye!